Okay, so the window has to be lowered to fit in like this. And that one's not working. Lower the window. That should be enough. Now remove these covers. It's adhesive below. Okay, so it looks like this. There's the adhesive and there's the text on the left side, so put it below. And now pull it towards you. Okay, and add that plastic. For the rear we have three for each side, and for the front we have only two plus two. I think we should do exactly the opposite. Put only two in the rear and three in the front, because the front one is longer. So get this thing and insert one there and one, let's see, there. Let's remove this one and put this hook side onto the textile material, so in this way. The flat one should be on the plastic. I have to push that in more. Let's use just a screwdriver. Oops. So that's finished. So do the same thing, take off the yellow one. Oops. Now add these, hook to the rear, to the soft textile material. Or let's try it this way. Put them there. So put those there and close the window. Whoops. Lift it and lower it. Down and up. And it should be okay. Now for this larger one, let's try that one. Same thing, remove the plastics. We should insert the right end here. You have to push it down. Yes. So it's inserted there. Insert that end there and pull it up. We have 3 of these plastics. Theoretically only 2 should be used. And one might enter here. Something like that. Oops, it does not like it. It comes automatically down. They entered. And something like that. Okay, I will insert this one manually, somewhere in the corner. Okay, so finally it entered. Oh. What's wrong? Oh, the end. Should go higher somehow. Here is below the rubber. There is above the rubber. Okay, so I pushed the rubber down and raised the plastic up, and now it's above. Now where is it? Okay, so I haven't found that one. So it don't work in this kind of environment. But one is holding it down, one's holding it up there, and the adhesive is holding it there. So now you can open your window a little bit and you will get air, but the rain will not be able to enter into the vehicle. So lower your window, let's say 2 centimeters, and the air can enter, not this much.